Hello, everybody. A little bit hungover today. That went everywhere with that keyboard. So I thought I'd give myself a bit of a sensation by doing this, seeing as I'm feeling fairly lifeless. At the minute. Phew. Oh, tickles. Phew. That's a really tickly spot. Phew. I'm gonna sneeze again. Fucking tickles. Phew. Sorry, I'm getting dizzy. I was already feeling a little bit dizzy to begin with, but adding this into the equation, just making it worse. Here it comes again. Phew. Oh man, that's intense. I don't know if it's more intense because I'm hungover and it just feels more intense, or it's more intense. I'm not making a lot of sense. I think we'll give that a miss. Give the narrating a miss, I think, for a bit. I can't write the stuffy though. Here it comes. Phew. Man, my keyboard looks like, well, it's a mess. My nose is too sore to do anything else, I'm sorry.